as usually, this is B2B Outcomes channel. Dukora. So please, this is B2B Outcomes channel. Ubusanzwe dukora video ziri motivation, how to make money online, uburyo wakora amafaranga online, na icyo bita challenge. Ayo mafaranga twakoreye n'ubuti twayatanga tukabyerekana ko amafaranga yakorewe ibintu agaragara, just prove ngo proving abantu. So dukoresha challenge, ariko dukoresha challenge. Don't forget, we could subscribe, ukora likes, ukora comment, tubwire icyo ushaka kongera gukora over the world. Tumwe turabereka uburyo wakora amafaranga over the world, bro. This is the world, bro. N'isi yose. Uyu munsi ngiye kwereka only one website ku rwego rw'isi wakora amafaranga. Iyi website ni iya mbere rwose ku rwego rw'isi. Irimo irakora amafaranga menshi. This is 2020. Ntabwo bikiri kwirukanka imihanda ngo urapurayinga ahantu atari gufata inkweto igahingama. Ushaka akazi just ufite internet, ufite telefone, ufite laptop, tukicara sit down, icara hasi, then focus, ukora amafaranga. Wicara kure iyi video paka irangiye, ubone techniques zose ugomba gukoresha mu gukora amafaranga. Si menshi, ariko amafaranga yagufasha kwishyura amabizi make, kujya guhaha ku isoko, kujya gukora ibiki, kwishyura umuriro, those bills, kwishyura umuriro, kwishyura amazi, those things. Ndabizi abantu baba muri ghetto baraguye byatari nk'ibyo byose. So straight tujye dufungure browser nk'ibisanzwe, kuri Google, just type what you call Daily Rafa. Website iri over the world. Iyi ngiyi iri uri mu Burundi, uri mu Rwanda, uri Kenya, Tanzania, yose washobora gukora amafaranga. Iyi website, so Daily Rafa is a free application, daily price. Even iyi website uyibona, iyo umaze kuyidownloadinga ku munsi ishobora gutanga icyo bita prize. Ibihembo ni hagati y'amadolari 100, amadolari 100 n'amadolari 1000. Buri mwamwe ku munsi utsinda amadolari angana gute? Amadolari ayinoverewe. Tekereza nawe utatsinda amadolari angana gutya. So please, tekereza amadolari 1000. So then kubona ndabizi 947 niyo ubungubu umunyarwanda ariho. This is 947 mu banyamahirwe. Just go download this app, ndashyira description link yayo, whatever you want, just go download it, genda downloading, then ushyira muri telefone yawe aho ari hose ukora amafaranga. Then iyi website ubusanzwe ikora iki? Website ikora watching video. Website ubusanzwe ikora watching videos, ugakina games online, gukina games icyo usabwa gusa ni internet n'ibindi bintu. So they draw at 90 Greenwich GMT, ukabona then about winning numbers, dore ngizi get 6 numbers and same orders to win. Ushobora gutsinda amadolari 500. That's cash money, bro. Whatever you do, just think about this lot of money from mainstream internet. Just you go and download these apps and get cash just in your phone. Even when you kuri Google, apps ikigaragaza ko inarenze apps kuri Google Play Store. Uyirebye kuri Google Play Store ifite 4 point n'abaye abayikoresha abayikoresha bayidownloadinze iragaragara ifite 4.5 stars. Ninze abantu barishimiye cyane. Sinzi ubwo w'icyubura, just go download apps, start making money online. This is simple, easy, ni uburyo bworoshye. Ntabwo bikiri this 2020 bro, turi 2020 nabyo kwirwa yirukanka ngo mwete yahenganye. Ndashaka ufite telefone, ufite internet, nta kikumariye ngo uri mu biki. Man, we are in Africa bro. think big, tekereza binini, make money. But ifite 4 point, these apps ifite 4.5 bro. None price ku munsi batsindira hagati ya miliyoni ibaze. Ntabwo ushobora gukora risk, gukora just regular risk. Prizes kura risk. They watch videos, just kuri go play, downloading the apps, daily refer. Ni free apps, ntabwo ikeneye ikindi wintu waza unizo content n'ugatsindira amafaranga. Murakoze, don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Dukeneye ibintu byanyu byose, dukeneye kubumva, dukeneye ibyo mushaka. Then whatever you are, uri Gisenyi, uri Burundi, uri hehe, Kenya, just make money bro. Even think about this shit. Daily refer, free application with daily prices start from impano batanga buri munsi ku madolari 100 kugeza ku madolari 1000. Tekereza shyiramo calculatrice ashyize mu Nyarwanda, izo ni miliyoni nyinshi, nawe utaba ndabizi, nawe murabizi. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, click likes, just download these apps. Ndashyira kuri description yanjye hasi, we na likes na comment mushaka, nimba dukomeza dukoreza izi nimba mushaka dukomeza dukore izi tutorials kuna online. Thank you, and don't forget to say that ndashaka mumbwire right now uburyo ndashaka mumbwire muri tutorial, ndashaka muri commentaire uburyo wakora withdraw this money bro, ukoresha PayPal money, ukoresha uburyo ukora account kuri PayPal money. Then ndagenda bishyira kuri description, link iri hano hasi, video yirebe. Then thank you, you're welcome.